Mousree, and today we will learn that how to make this cool text-to-language translation in picture blocks. I made this cool game. You can say you can make this an application, but I don't make it too much feature. But I made this in my whole mind. So let's see what happens.
Click me to change my dress color.
It's voices. Okay, let's click in here. Wow, amazing, yeah. Oh, look, shoes, eyebrows, and those. This is also changing. Okay, let's see.
Click me to change my dress color.
Okay, no problem. Let's see. I am hungry. Let's see. I am hungry. Let's click on Japanese.
お腹が空きました。
What's here? What she says? Oh, Nabonashi, I don't know Japanese. So let's see. Let's go to the Google and see. Okay. So let's go to the first Japanese. Okay. Okay, yeah. お腹が空きました。
お腹が空きました。
Okay, so here is the language. Says so slow, but in my game it says fast. No problem.
お腹が空きました。
Something like this. Let's see. Yeah, this is the next language. Let's go to my game. Okay. Now.
Click me to change my dress color.
Okay. Let's see. I am hungry. Arabic.
Nigeria.
What she says, enable. Okay, no problem. I don't know quite Arabic, but let's see what happens. Okay, Arabic, yeah. Energize. Something like this. You can say something like this.
Nigerian.
Yeah, correct. My game is really correct.
Click me to change my dress color.
I am hungry. Let's see in what happens in Dutch. Okay, let's correct here.
Ik heb honger.
Ik heb hunger. Let's see in Arabic here. Dutch. Yeah. Yes, ik heb hunger.
Ik heb honger.
Yes, true. Italian.
Ho fame.
Ho fame. Okay, no problem. Let's go to here and let's go to Italian. Oh, ho fame.
Ho fame.
Yes. So guys, let's see how I make the game. First is the John sprite. There are quite parts of John. Let's see. This is the code of the John sprite, and let's go to the Tobin's, the Japanese one. This is the code of the Japanese. Let's go to the where is it? Italian. This is the code of the Italian, and let's see in the Arabic. This is the code of the Arabic. Let's go to the Dutch. This is the code of the Dutch. And in backdrop, I use the click on the boy, change the dress of his dress, change the color of his dress. Okay. So guys, this was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.
Click me to change my dress color. American. أريد أن أنام. Ik wil slapen. Voglio dormire.
Cool guys, and bye.